The Sainlogic SA8 Weather Station offers a straightforward installation process that can be completed in just a few minutes, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Equipped with a highly precise rain gauge, this weather station provides accurate rainfall measurements, which are essential for various professional applications. The comprehensive weather monitoring capabilities include temperature, humidity, barometric pressure, wind speed, and even moon phases, catering to a wide range of weather enthusiasts. With a wireless transmission range of 330 feet, it ensures reliable data connectivity across large areas without signal interruptions. The device is perfect for those who love outdoor activities, as it provides essential weather data for gardening, excursions, and water-based recreation. Its robust design allows it to function effectively in diverse environments, making it a reliable choice for homeowners, farmers, and coastal residents alike.